Good job on the treehouse, Moby. How are we supposed to get up there? Dear Tim and Moby, when those letters are all over math problems, I have no idea what to do. From Ned. You're talking about algebra. That's the branch of math where you solve equations with variables. Well, an equation is a comparison of two sets of numbers with an equal sign. Like 2 plus 3 equals 5 is an equation. The quantities on each side of the equal sign have to be, equal. A variable is a placeholder for a number we don't know yet, so instead we use a letter. Whether it's an X, a Y, an A, or some other letter, a variable is just an unknown number. The numbers in an equation are called constants because their value is set. You can think of equations with variables like a fill-in-the-blank question. The purpose of an equation with a variable is to fill in that blank. In other words, find out which number makes each side of the equation equal. What do you mean, so what? We can use variables to build a ladder for this treehouse. How high is the treehouse? So, our ladder needs to be 5 meters high. Well, we're not done yet. It just so happens that we have 2 5-meter-long pieces of wood. But a ladder needs rungs, those things you step on. I think we're going to need to solve some equations to make this ladder. We've got 21 of these wooden slats to use as rungs. We'll make them all the same distance apart, so the ladder's safe. We need to figure out how far apart the rungs should be. Here's where an equation comes in handy. The distance we're trying to find can be expressed as a variable, say d. It's the value that we don't know. With 21 slats, it takes 20 of our unknown distances to make 5 meters. That can be expressed as an equation. 20 times d equals 5. To solve an equation, you need to isolate the variable on one side of the equation. That way, you can compare what you're not sure of with real numbers that you are sure of. We need to get rid of that times 20, so we can divide that side by 20 to cancel it out. Hold on, we're not done yet. Whenever you do something to one side of the equation, you have to do the same thing to the other side to keep the two sides equal. Okay, easy part first. 20 divided by 20 equals 1, and 1 times d is the same as d. And 5 divided by 20 equals 0.25. So d, our unknown distance, equals 0.25 meters. The rungs of our ladder need to be 0.25 meters apart. How many centimeters are in 0.25 meters? That's a different equation. We know that 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. And we'll call our unknown number of centimeters x. To find x, we need to multiply 0.25 by 100 centimeters. So 100 times 0.25 equals 25. X equals 25 centimeters. Looks right to me. The rungs of our ladder should be 0.25 meters or 25 centimeters apart. So let's build that ladder so we can get up to the treehouse. Where are the nails? What do you mean you don't use nails?